Hey, tell me the problem.
Ray doesn't want me to go in the park, but I will leave. But he said no.
Why can't we go to the park later?
No.
The one in the house.
No.
Why not?
Because it's no fun.
It's the same
But you're
thing.
not being fun either.
Because it was, I did this park before, but I want to go now.
Where do you want to go?
Like that park, so I
We could go to the other park. We're at the zoo right now. Why do you want to go to the park?
no, that park right there, so I can play there. And it's fun.
Why can't you just wait a little bit?
For mom to come out so I can go there.
No, for us to get home.
I not want to go home. I want to see an animal.
Okay, but why can't you just wait?
Because that's in the where is she? The little girl can't wait.
Well, she has to learn to wait.
No, I can't. But I want to go see the snake. Wait, did you see that animal before?
Are you going to be nice though?
Yeah,
You promise?
I promise.
Okay, we're going to go see the snakes right now then.
Okay.
Oh, it is?